Have you ever wondered if SeatGeek is truly the best place to buy tickets? Or if it's just another online scam waiting to happen? With so many ticket platforms out there, people often get confused about which ones are actually trustworthy, and that's where SeatGeek.com enters the spotlight. SeatGeek claims to be a smart ticketing platform designed for sports, concerts, theater, and other live events, with features like interactive seating charts to help you visualize your view before purchasing, Deal Score that ranks tickets so you can see if you're getting good value for your money, and a 100% buyer guarantee promising safe and secure purchases. On the surface, all of this sounds great, but does it hold up in reality? Looking deeper, SeatGeek does show some strong signs of being legitimate. The app has excellent ratings across major platforms. It maintains a strong social media presence where updates and promotions are actively shared. It offers different ways to reach customer support in case issues come up, and it has earned recognition within the ticketing industry itself. These factors suggest that SeatGeek isn't a fly-by-night operation. However, not everything about SeatGeek is perfect. While many customers report smooth experiences, others have raised concerns about last-minute ticket delivery, overpriced resale tickets, or difficulties in resolving disputes quickly, which shows that, like most online marketplaces, experiences can vary widely depending on the specific event or seller involved. This mix of positive signs and occasional frustrations puts SeatGeek in a middle ground where it's not easily dismissed as a scam, but it's also not flawless enough to be considered the ultimate ticket solution. The final verdict is that SeatGeek is generally legitimate and widely used, but potential buyers should still approach with caution, compare ticket prices, and read reviews before making any purchase to ensure they get the best possible experience.